can block your car. If you're a big man, you're going like say, you know, I'm see up on live, I skin out over there, you know, the wine up on every boss live. And oh, Vicky, you see that? Me see over there, skin out so blessed over there, the wine up on every boss live. And hope Vicky see that. All you, Vicky, you come go and like say you're proud of your mid man. And go and like say your mid man is all that. You wait. I'm going to send you a message, one little clip to your phone, Vicky. I'm going to make you have Pitney in Jamaica. But yeah, I'm going to have baby in foreign. Vicky, me say, I'm going to send a clip to your phone. I'm going to make you have Pitney in Jamaica. Mm-hmm. Anytime you see this, me say, I'm going to make you have Pitney in Jamaica, Vicky. Yo. Come both off of your look, you made man. But tell you this, look. Behave yourself, you feel lucky, so I stop beat you know. Hey, me used to beat Shavy Boo in your mouth to sugar the last current time when we used to live in a youth. We used to beat Shavy Boo in a dog. Shavy Boo, you're most glad that you run your family long time. You're most glad that you run your family long time. Hey, me say, everybody will tag Vicky over here and block you. Only two mix up. Only hear me say nothing about Vicky. Only hear me say nothing about Vicky. Would name say Vicky a good girl. No, you hear me say nothing about Vicky. You know, hear me say Vicky a good girl. And you bro, you made. Well, I know where you attack Vicky. Rascal. Cardi B that up on life. No, sir. The blood clot. People no look. People no look. Look if I really blow tick that. Oh God, Mr. Cardi B a while ago. I am Cardi with the blow tick. The blood clot. People no look. Let me look again. The rascal. People no look. Jaden, big up yourself, Cardi B for the life. The blood clot. How talk Cardi B over here? Pussy clot. Cardi B, you know, so for one day I follow up my life them. I'm here, see one left half head, I'll come to me. Cardi B, you need to chill, you know, dog. Come like, you know, fully ex-gang. Yo, Cardi B, come like, you know, I'm not chilling on you know, dog. Pussy club. Yo, this is fucked up, dog. Cardi, get off my life, please. You get an angry blushing. Oh, damn, dog. Oh, my God. Jeez. Right, I can't believe. Oh my God, damn, this is Cardi. Oh my fucking God. Why you all tag Cardi over here? Oh my God, damn, Jesus. This is so fucking amazing this morning. I'm telling you, only the ex-gang them can do this. You hear me? Damn, dog. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Only the ex-gang can do that. You're a clown. People see a Cardi B come in. Oh my God, Lolo, that's you. I can't wait to meet you in person. Me blood clot. Cardi B say fi Adar. Watch out now. Me blood clot. Papa that music, pick up yourself, my father. Cardi B say fi Adar. Watch out now. Me had blood clot Cardi B, you know. Had Cardi B, you know. Jesus Christ. Cardi, want me to just come on with this stuff, so I do. And if me fear that. Alright, wait a second. Wait a second. Cardi, give me a minute. Oh my God. Cardi, you do the most. Oh my God. Damn, dog. Oh my God. Cardi, stop that. Look at it. Cardi, stop that. Oh my God. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my fucking God. Damn, dog. Cardi, stop that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, man, I don't know the shirt. Oh, fuck. Yo, I'm nervous, dog. Fully X. All this stuff X. You hear me? X for real. Cardi, step back. Fully X. You hear me? I'm afraid. I'm scared of out of here, Cardi. Stop that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Top of the morning. Cardi with me. Oh my God. This shit's crazy. I can't believe this. Cardi, step that. Cardi, step that. How do you? How do you? Cardi? How do you? All right, man, Cardi B. Answer, please. Answer, please. Answer, please. People don't know who that is. We don't know who that is. When you see somebody on your live, I know Cardi B, but that's somebody else. When you look a fuckery that. Answer, please. Answer, please. Answer, please. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Answer, please. I wish I had somebody say that. When you see people for their life or their friend now, we call them catch cloud. Answer, please. Cardi B, I care less if you want blood clot. Answer. Me look like me frightened. Cardi B, it look like me frightened. I got black as somebody with boy massing ball. Crystal ball, black. Fuck, you should have said no crystal ball. Suck your man. Yeah, man, black you get, man. Suck your mother and go to your gate. Come over here and sell the crystal ball. Go suck your mama, me tell you, I'm frightened. And you come over here with the crystal ball. Suck your mother with that, man. And go over RT life with that pussy. That, me I tell her. I tell her this. Now, man, for the ex-gang, not frightened. That, me I tell her. Me quick fear the ex-boss of you more anybody else. Because me general that my idol, him send me a road. A ex-boss send me a road. I say, Lolo, go on a road because you're fucking hot. You fuck up a place.